Welcome back to another episode of Trick My Life, where we take hood rats, crews, whips, and cribs and customize the hell out of them. Now let's get our asses to work. First up is Randy the Tranny. Now if this lazy piece of crap has any chance of running the streets, he gonna need a lot of help. Look out, world! Not even his CEO would recognize him.
Who you think you were messing with?
But if you're still not getting respect, don't trip. Try something a little different. Now they'll listen to your ass. And how about this sloppy-ass excuse of a crew? With a little adjustment, we can turn this into this. Not your taste? Never fear. Trick My Life has all kinds of ways to pimp your crew. And how about that crack den that's just been filling up with bodies over the years? Well, with a little elbow grease and some tailor-made gear, you can have a palace worthy of a street king. So remember, if you're a two-time offended, unemployed, sorry-ass excuse of a player, all you need is a buttload of money and a hell of a lot of customization. Trick My Life.